Oh my gosh. You are little angels. She used to sit up there on the big rig, and now look at, she's trying to crawl back up there. Is this your new place of ride? No? It does not look comfortable at all. You can drive on the beach, park for the day on the beach. Let's see if Fred is that adventurous. Well, if somebody's coming down, you might have to back up. Had to stop for a bicycle, I think. Oh no, another car, but they passed. Fred, they passed. You got this, Fred. You can do this. I'm gonna video this road as I go up. You got this. We'll park here. I don't think you can camp overnight, but you can have a picnic. There are a lot of people out here on the beach Friday night. You wanna go? The rocks could be your playground. I thought I'd take a little video to see the difference between hopefully what we find a sunny day sometime over here. The water's cold and I'm not even gonna get used to it. Scouting out the road for us. It's a little rough, but very doable. Here comes a van. I think we can do it. So here's a little pullover. So if someone's coming down, you kind of wiggle right here to the side and take turns getting around. It's not bad, but I'm sure people like to see what it looks like before they come onto the beach with their cars. So we wanted to give you a little view. So yes or no? Will Fred come down? The beach across from the campground is called McPhillips. You can drive on the beach, but there is no camping on the beach. If you prefer just parking part of the way down and walking the rest of the way, there's a spot here where you can leave your car and hike down that little hill.
Look at you. Oh my goodness, who needs a hot tub?
I know, right?
Look at all the people not in the water.
Well, it's kind of cold here. It doesn't matter what time of year it is. It's cold here.
See, these are my kindred beach people. I'm not going in that water. Don't get long. Camping prohibited. So this is the road you thought.
Oh, this isn't the road.
Ooh.
Only street legal vehicles with this. So I don't think we want to really go in here, but you can turn around right down there.
I'm not sure how to get through it. I guess this way. I mean, there's some big holes there. Street legal.
I do love how you can, I do love how you can drive on the beaches here. Texas, you can stay on the beaches and sleep overnight. Here in Florida, you can't.
Motor vehicles.
See,
There you go. See? Okay.
oh, you can see the rock from here. Ooh.
What's last words?
It's all in Jesus' hands. This is the backside of Cape Kiwanda and Haystack Rock from McPhillips Beach. I let Nikita off the leash, and what does she do? She runs circles around me. Well, she doesn't go in too far, but she'll go in after those waves a little bit. Cape Kiwanda is near Pacific City. It's one of the most popular and photogenic destinations on the Oregon coast. I have to say, out here, I love the dog-friendly beaches where you can just let your dog be a dog, run and have fun. I don't think she realizes she's not supposed to drink salt water. You're gonna dehydrate, little girl. You can see Haystack Rock from some of the scenic viewpoints at the campground. So people climb to the top of the sand dunes, catch a gust of wind, and parasail down. Once you come next to the sand dunes, you have left the open area. You're now entering Cape Kiwanda, which is a state natural area. The beach is just so calming, so relaxing, even though there are raging waves. Just soothes my soul. Nikita makes another friend. And this is why I keep her on the leash. So our venture on the beach, we try to dig it out. It's gonna pull and push, but we have some company that has volunteered to winch us out. Hey, did you offer to help him?
His winches are working.
Of course. That might be our next addition, a winch. Why not? But what would you hook it up to here, right? Yeah. Wow. Oh, praise Jesus. Oh my gosh. You are little angels. Back it up more. See lots of puppies in there. Leashes, I love it.
Yeah, we're fine.
Just puppy.
We said drive his tracks. What is it?
That was sweet of him to walk by and help. I mean, I know they were more, but he was helping too. Very good.
Okay, today's helpful tip. This is a soap dish. You can get them just about anywhere. A couple bucks, some suction cups, and I've got it attached to the front windshield. And I'm going to put my hotspot in there. Bingo! Extension antenna, and much better reception here. So that's how I got internet at Pacific City.
I was going to tell him, no, electrician.